Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses portions of southeastern Texas, much of Louisiana, and southwestern Mississippi. And we have a marginal risk today that covers much of eastern Texas, the very far extreme southeastern corner of Oklahoma, the southern half of Arkansas, far northwestern and southeastern Louisiana, and western Mississippi. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses portions of southeastern Texas, much of Louisiana, I should say, and southwestern Mississippi. And we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses much of eastern Texas, the very far extreme southeastern corner of Oklahoma, the southern half of Arkansas, far northwestern and southeastern Louisiana, and western Mississippi. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers southeastern Texas, much of Louisiana, and southwestern Mississippi. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses much of eastern Texas, the far southeastern corner of Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, far northwestern and southeastern Louisiana, and western Mississippi. Going to the hail threat for today, and there is no hail threat today. So, no hail threat. So, in summary, strong and isolated severe storms will be possible today into tonight from the eastern portions of Texas, eastward across the lower Mississippi Valley. So, that's your day one outlook. Going to the day two outlook now. We have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses the very far extreme southeastern tip of Louisiana, the very far extreme southeastern corner of Mississippi, southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses the very far extreme southeastern tip of Louisiana, the very far extreme southeastern tip of Mississippi, southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the panhandle of Florida. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses the very far extreme southeastern tip of Louisiana, the very far extreme southeastern tip of Mississippi, southern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, and the Florida Panhandle. Going to the hail threat for tomorrow, there is no hail threat tomorrow, so that's good news. Sorry if I sound a little out of breath, my asthma is acting up. Anyway, in summary, a couple of strong and potentially severe storms may occur over parts of the central and eastern Gulf Coast region Friday, which is tomorrow. So, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.